Good morning, guys, from a beautiful morning on 7 Mile Beach. Whew, it's a lovely day. I'm off today. Just out for a little morning kind of walk. Also, plan is going to try and go for a little snorkel too. It's a beautiful day, as you can see. Water is fairly clear. There's some clouds in the skies. It did actually rain maybe like half an hour ago, so I kind of delayed my venture, but yeah, it's nice. Unfortunately, mosquitoes are still out during this morning, but it's not too bad. But guys, I got some disappointing news, unfortunately. By the time I've uploaded this video, you probably maybe heard of the news. So the government announced yesterday they had a press conference that they'll be delaying the reopening that was planned on the 14th of October to the new year, because we've had some community transmission of COVID, which in my opinion hasn't been a lot. It's like 8 cases, maybe more. But yeah, they're saying they're scrapping the reopening plan for the new year, which is obviously, from my point of view, disappointing, and for a lot of people too, but they said they're going to reassess in the new year. But anyways, that is the bad news. Better news is, I guess I have this beach more to myself for the rest of the year. As you can see, there's not many folks here. Very quiet, just past Kimpton again. The usual spot that we go to usually. And we're just going to trek down a little bit further down this beach. So as you can see, guys, the tide is actually quite low, because you see this coral that's exposed up here, but the water is super clear. So I'm gonna try and take advantage of this and go for a little snorkel. As you can see, but there's a fish over there, so hopefully get to see some stuff. Very nice day here past the Kimpton. Look how clear the water is. It's amazing. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, guys, so hopefully you can enjoy this video. It's a beautiful day here, a little bit disappointing news again, but it is what it is. Hopefully you guys are safe, enjoying the content. Appreciate all of you guys. But yeah, let's enjoy 7 Mile Beach. Big little fish here. Little fishies. Okay, so this is a spot that I generally come to snorkel, because you can get through this little gap of the reef and you can make your way out to the open water. So let's get set up and let's go in the water, guys. Why not, eh? It's a beautiful day. You might as well take advantage of the crystal clear water. I actually haven't been in the ocean for a few weeks at least, so I'm gonna try and take advantage of it, guys. So, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. Some clouds in the skies, but as you can see, you know, it could be worse, it could be a lot worse. Let's set up our things over here. Got my housing, got my flippers and mask, so let's do this.
what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. Regrets, girl, put your faith in me, even though we just met. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, pulse speed and my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna pace it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true.
That was a very nice snorkel. As I said, I haven't been in the water for a few weeks, so it was nice to go in. Saw some fish straight immediately, like right over here. Saw a little barracuda, and I saw some other fish, like a pufferfish just over here. I couldn't get the pufferfish on film, I don't think. I need to check, but he went back into his hole pretty quickly. But it was nice. I wish it was a little sunnier so I could see more and for you guys to see more, but I did see some fish. Saw some coral, saw some anemones. I think that's how we call it, anemones. But it was beautiful water. Right out of here is a lovely area to snorkel. Super calm, as you can see right now. Tide very low, so nice little bit of coral. Very nice indeed. It might rain, hopefully not. So guys, lovely morning. As you can see, beautiful water behind me. Beach is empty, and it might continue that way till the new year, unfortunately. With the government announcing yesterday that they're extending the border reopening to the new year. They also added 2 days on to the quarantine for vaccinated travelers, now 7 days, so a week total. So it's a struggle, guys, but we're going to try and keep positive. Yeah, honestly, in my opinion, I wish that the borders wouldn't open on that day in October, because you know, tourism is suffering here. The hotels, restaurants, tour operators, taxi drivers, all those companies and entities are really struggling right now from the lack of tourists. And a lot of you folks are going to other islands, which is understandable, other beautiful places, and Cayman is just not, I'm not sure. They want obviously to protect the people, which I understand, and keep us safe, which is I'm thankful, but at the end of the day, we have to learn to live with this virus. We will never get rid of it in the short term. They're still trying to get more people vaccinated, which more people have actually gone to get vaccinated because of these outbreaks. They're also, the governor mentioned yesterday that the UK is sending another round of of our first booster shots of the Pfizer vaccine, so that's going to be happening here shortly. So, but as they say, it is what it is. Just slowly making my way back. Enjoying this little view. These little fishes in here. I guess they hang on these tidal pools to avoid the bigger fish, like the barracuda, or any other kind of fish that might eat these guys. A lovely little kind of reef here, coral reef here. Nice little tidal pools too, where you can find smaller fish. As you can hear, the wind is picking up a little bit. The waves are getting a little bigger, so good time to go. So folks, I think I'll end it here as I'm going back home now. Hope you enjoyed this beach walk and snorkel video. Water was great. I wish I saw maybe a turtle or something bigger, but you'll see a little barracuda and pufferfish and some other marine life, so that was very nice. I really enjoyed it. First time out in the water in a while. But thank you guys for watching our videos. You know, me and Gabby appreciate it a lot. We thank you for it. We love you for it. And yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully our borders open. They see now in January, so hopefully that happens. And if you guys have any questions, make sure to put in the comments below. And thank you for watching, as always, from myself and Gabby. We will see you very soon in the next video. Give you one more glimpse of 7 Mile Beach, right by the Kimpton Seafire, one of the Cayman Islands luxury hotels. Beautiful day. All right, guys. Mr. Cayman, sign off for now. Peace.